Welcome to Review Rumble. The best strapping tape is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mover, or just someone who likes to keep things organized. This heavy-duty tape is designed to securely bundle, seal, and reinforce a wide variety of items, from boxes and packages to furniture and equipment. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of strapping tape, exploring its uses, benefits, and what to look for when choosing the right one for your needs. Number 5. Tape King 6-Roll Clear Packing Tape. This heavy-duty tape is designed to provide long-lasting strength. It is thicker than standard tapes, ensuring your packages are securely sealed and protected during transit. Each roll stretches to 60 yards, offering plenty of tape for multiple uses. This means fewer roll changes and more efficient packaging for you. This clear packing tape grips securely to various surfaces. Its strong adhesive ensures that your boxes and packages stay sealed, whether you're shipping, storing, or mailing. The tape is compatible with most standard dispensers and tape guns. It's easy to unwind and apply, streamlining your packaging process whether you're sealing small or large cartons. Suitable for home, office, or depot use, it handles various packaging tasks with ease. From shipping cartons to organizing storage, it supports multiple everyday needs. This office tape has been tested and approved by an ANAB-accredited laboratory. It meets all standards in accordance with CPSIA, ASTM, and California Proposition 65. What we like. This tape's strong adhesion ensures your packages stay sealed during transit. It's also designed for easy use with standard dispensers, streamlining your packing process. If you're looking for a reliable tape for various tasks, from shipping to storage, this is a great choice. What people say. The adhesive is strong, and the tape has a nice thick feel that makes it easy to handle and apply smoothly. It sticks well to cardboard and plastic surfaces without peeling or bubbling. Even after 7 years, it peeled off of the roll easily, and stuck as good as it always has. Number 4. BOMEI Pack Mono Filament Strapping Tape. This heavy-duty tape is perfect for all your bundling and reinforcing needs. It's designed to provide a strong and reliable hold, keeping your items secure. With a 5.5 mm thickness, this tape offers superior strength and durability. The thicker design means it can withstand more stress and provide a more secure seal. This tape boasts high tensile strength, making it ideal for palletizing and other demanding applications. It can handle heavy loads and resist tearing or breaking. It's weatherproof, moisture-resistant, and UV-resistant, ensuring it performs well in various conditions. This tape is built to last, no matter the environment. This tape adheres to a variety of surfaces, including wood, plastic, and metal. It's ideal for maintenance, wrapping, sealing, and protecting your items. What we like. This tape boasts high tensile strength, making it ideal for bundling and reinforcing items. It's also weatherproof, so it can handle various conditions. If you have items that need to withstand the elements, this tape is perfect for you. What people say. The tape is very strong and sticks well. The tape is exactly what I needed to package my boxes for shipping. This tape is great for strapping boxes. Number 3. Teegan Tape's Clear Filament Duct Tape. This premium clear duct tape offers incredible strength and versatility. Its transparent design discreetly adheres to restore features and surfaces. It's perfect for various repairs at home or on the job. This strong tape is engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions. It firmly sticks to various surfaces, providing a lasting seal. You can rely on it for both indoor and outdoor applications. This packing tape provides maximum strength and workability. It allows for quick and easy repairs. The adhesive tears and comes off clean, making it ideal for various tasks. This all-weather tape is resistant to water, moisture, and UV rays. It ensures your items are protected, whether you're shipping a package or making repairs around the house. You can have peace of mind knowing your items are secure. We stand behind our tape. If you have any issues, our US-based team is here to help. You can find answers to your questions in our FAQ PDF. What we like. This tape is designed to repair almost anything, with a transparent design that discreetly adheres to restore features. It's also weather resistant, so it can handle rain and storms. If you like a versatile tape for repairs at home or on the job, consider this. What people say. The tape is very strong. The tape is holding up well. The tape is exactly what I needed. Number 2. BOMEI Pack 6-Pack Reinforced Packing Tape. This tape is 5.5 mm thick, providing superior adhesion. It's designed for the toughest tasks, ensuring a strong bond. You can easily cut it with scissors. This transparent filament tape is ideal for heavy-duty packing and strapping. It's perfect for fixing, reinforcing, and palletizing goods. The smooth surface ensures easy application. The tape adheres to a variety of surfaces, including glass, wood, and plastic. It works well on metal, fiberboard, nylon, and cardboard. This versatility makes it suitable for many applications. This fiber-reinforced tape is weatherproof and resistant to moisture, UV, and temperature changes. It's suitable for most repairs and can be used both indoors and outdoors. This filament fiber-reinforced tape is ideal for furniture maintenance and heavy-duty packing. It's also great for carton sealing, carpet fixing, and vehicle patching. It's a reliable solution for repairing and protecting items. What we like. This tape offers heavy-duty adhesion, perfect for the toughest tasks. It's reinforced with fiber for extra strength. If you are looking for a tape for industrial-grade adhesion, this is the one. What people say. Using a lot of it for heavy packages. Makes your packages very secure. I've been using this special and strong tape for my shipping heavy XL boxes. I used it on a regularly shipping basis and my items will deliver safe and secure with me using this strong tape. Number 1. Strapping Tape 2" x 60 yards, 6-pack. This strapping tape is incredibly strong and thick. It's designed to resist tearing and splitting, ensuring a secure seal for all your bundling and shipping needs. It's perfect for a variety of applications. This tape can handle weights exceeding 120 pounds per inch, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Whether you're moving, shipping, or storing items, it provides the strength you need. It's a reliable choice for any job. The tape fits standard 2-inch tape dispensers and guns, making application simple. It smoothly and quietly slides off the roll, which is a great feature when you're packing and moving. It makes your work easier. Use it for sealing, banding, and bundling tubes, pallets, or boxes. It provides an extreme seal for all your packaging requirements. It's a versatile solution for various needs. The adhesive is UV resistant and maintains its seal in both hot and cold temperatures. It offers lasting protection and is made with MOPP film and a water-based acrylic adhesive system. This ensures durability. What we like. This tape offers reinforced strength and can handle weights over 120 pounds per inch. It's also easy to use with standard dispensers. If you have heavy moving, shipping, or storage needs, you should consider this. What people say. Very strong strapping tape, easy to apply, and adheres to itself very well when completely encircling a parcel. It also adheres well to corrugated cardboard boxes, and the bond seems to strengthen with time. Great strength for moving boxes. Easy to use in dispenser or standalone. Easy to use, cuts easy from dispenser. The best part is that it holds and lays firm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.